Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Amid the row over the appointment of Bharat Ruhari Mehtab as pro-term speaker, India bloc leaders on Monday carried out a protest holding copies of the constitution inside the parliament premises in the national capital. Congress Parliamentary Party chairperson Sonia Gandhi, party leader Rahul Gandhi and party chief Mallikarjun Kharge took part in the protest. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi said the ruling party has not forgotten their haughtiness. We can see that they are ignoring the key subjects of the country. The whole Dalit community in India could witness a historic if K. Suresh were appointed as the pro-term speaker today. BJP has not just elected Congress, India Alliance and K. Suresh but the whole Dalit community. Akhilesh Yadav, Dimple Yadav and all the other MPs of Samajwadi Party arrived at the parliament this morning carrying a copy of the Constitution of India. Trinamool Congress leaders Sudeep, Kalyan Banerjee and Sogata Roy stated that the Modi government has violated the Constitution. We demand to protect the constitution of the country. Agreements happen between India and Bangladesh, but when they happen, they do not call the West Bengal government and do everything one-sidedly. We have to protect it from the first day of this 18th Lok Sabha, said the TMC MP Sudeep. We are protesting because the provisions of the constitution have been violated. The constitution has been violated by the Narendra Modi government. The way the pro-term speaker has been appointed is a clear violation of the constitutional provision and clear violation of the earlier presidencies, said TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee. We are opposing BJP's efforts to destroy the constitution, to amend it beyond recognition, said TMC MP Sogata Roy while protesting in the parliamentary premises today. Meanwhile, Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar slammed the leaders of India bloc and said that the opposition has got more seats this time, so they are raising their voice on every issue. Bharat Ruhari Mehtab is a senior parliamentarian. He is an elected MP consecutively for 7th time. They are demanding K. Suresh to be appointed as pro-term speaker. He has been elected for the 8th time, but his serving period is non-consecutive. Congress has breached the conventions a lot of times. Those who have held imposed emergencies should not talk about conventions anymore, he added. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.